How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. Thank you so much for the continued support on the channel. We're definitely going to hit 10K in the next couple of months or so. Absolutely incredible. Continue liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you for joining me on that emergency update last night. It looks like we pretty much called it exactly once again. Not only have we called this bottom, but we called this bottom and yesterday's one as well in that emergency update. I will continue with my bias that we will eventually push through the 1618. Unfortunately, guys, this is currently our resistance that we are struggling to break through at the moment. However, while we are above 4111, we will eventually push through. This is my belief. This is my bias. If we do lose this 4111 low, then I'll quickly say, guys, we are coming down for a immediate short-term dump back down to some other key moving averages, maybe the golden pocket here, 3.5 cents before continuation. But that, as of now, is not the main thing in my mind, because for this case to happen, we need to lose 4111. And as of now, even with the scare yesterday, it wasn't strong enough. The bears didn't take enough power from the bulls. We didn't manage to close below this low, and so we're not getting lower lows. We're still printing higher lows. In fact, guys, let's now scale to the 4-hour time frame. Maybe it might look a lot easier. So we can see that these lows are all higher than the last. In fact, when we bottomed out and I called this low, now taking a look at the 4-hour, we do see that the 55 moving average was in this location. It's a lot higher now, so we are still printing those higher highs. Here's one, here's the next high. So higher highs, and we've got the higher lows. Here's a low, and then that's a higher low. So we are doing the right things in order to get bullish continuation, but it's all about breaking through the 1618. I'm actually going to mark out a more specific level that I want to see closes above, but we did get some in the past. It was just one candle that closed above the direct next back underneath. We need to see it actually getting cleared, and if we ever do fall back to it, it must hold a support. Just like we have wicks going upwards, we want wicks going downwards in this location, sort of what you're seeing at the moment on the 55, because once it was underneath, but then for the close it was above. So we need to see something similar up here at 515, so 5.15 cents, and when that is the case, we're looking for continuation to our targets 7 and then 8.9 cents up ahead. What I do like at the moment from the 4-hour time frame, and make sure if you haven't already to like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 10K. Again, the thing that I am liking at the moment on the 4-hour is that during this consolidation range, while we have called the bottom earlier on, and now we're seeing the 55 also in line with that area, and now in line with where we currently are as well, it's allowed the 200 EMA to catch up. So even if we did lose the 55, then we will find support on this low, because the time that it takes to drop down the 200 EMA might even be above this low, 4111. So all in all, I do believe that this is a strong key level of support. Yes, right now we're ranging between this support and this high, but as long as we can continue to hold above 4111, I maintain the bias that 515 will give in, and we will continue to our bullish targets. Thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment and share. If you want to jump into my Discord community, we do have trades on at the moment. Remember, I did actually make a video on Wojak yesterday, and I made my first post on it 2 days ago. The direct next day, it went up 40%. And as you can see right now, this trade is sitting at a mere 77% gain. It was a lot higher earlier, and some people have only been in this trade for a few days. I've personally been in it for some weeks, and some people in the chat just entered as we were back at break even pretty much for the new people that joined, because we're getting people joining absolutely every day. Thank you for this continued support. Hopefully I see more of you guys in there for those weekly live streams, the daily support, the daily analysis, and of course access to my portfolio and all my buy alerts and trades. So use the link down below, $25 only, and I'll catch you in there. Cheers.